Hello guys, welcome back. Today in this video we are going to see how we can add a simple dialog. So here, as you can see, I have added one simple show dialog button. In on press of this button we are going to add show dialog function with two parameters, context and builder. Inside builder we are going to pass context and use simple dialog widget. Inside simple dialog widget we have to pass title. We are passing title as text simple dialog, and we have to pass children's for showing elements inside the dialog. I am passing two elements, one as a text with normal text dialog, and second one is text button. Inside text button we are going to close the dialog box. So inside on pressed of this text button I am passing navigator.off context.pop function to close the dialog. And let's run this code. As you can see, I have a simple dialog, and when I am pressing on close button it is closing the dialog. That's it for this video guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you like this video. I'll see you in the next one.